Good morning all.
So today's MCQ is a 35-year-old lady with amenorrhea presents with galacturia. She is diagnosed with primary pituitary adenoma. What is the most probable cause of the condition? A. Decreased GnRH, B. Increased LH surge, C. Downregulation of estrogen receptor, D. Increase in FSH and LH.
So now in this MCQs, the keywords are 35-year-old lady with amenorrhea, with galacturia or pituitary adenoma, right? So pituitary adenoma, it is because there is galacturia also. So it is pointing towards the prolactinoma. Now आप अपना hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis याद करिए. Whenever there is secretion of pulsatile release of GnRH occurs from the hypothalamus, that leads to the secretion of FSH and LH from the pituitary, and that leads to the secretion of estrogen and progesterone from the ovary. अब इसमें क्या हुआ? Because of the prolactinoma, prolactin बढ़ गया. Prolactin always decreases the GnRH. So here see the other options which are given. Increase LH surge हो ही नहीं सकती because there is decreased GnRH, that will lead to decrease in FSH and LH. Then there is down regulation of estrogen receptor. This is the option C. Estrogen receptor का इसमें कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. Here the cause is decrease. There will be decrease in the estrogen secretion because of the decrease FSH LH and decrease in GnRH, right? And D again it is wrong because there is no increase in FSH. This is just opposite. यहाँ पे तो डिक्रीज होगा FSH and LH because of the prolactin. There is decrease in GnRH that will lead to decrease in FSH and LH. So here the answer is A, that is decreased GnRH.
So we should remember the triad of amenorrhea, galacturia and pituitary adenoma, which is indicating of prolactinoma, and this prolactinoma always decreases GnRH because of increase in prolactin.
Thank you.
Thank you.